Welcome to Math Physics Engage. In this video, we will be looking into some real-world application of linear equation having a single variable. So before we start, I will greatly appreciate if you subscribe to my channel to watch similar content. So let's get started. Now here we are given a problem that we have to design a wheelchair ramp shown here, wheelchair ramp for a home that must pass the ADA standard, that is American Disability Act for accessible design, that we have to design homes that should have at least a slope of 1 over 12 so that the wheelchair can easily climb up the ramp. Now, for that particular scenario, we are given the vertical distance from the ground to the door bottom, that is 2.5 feet. And we need to find the distance the RAM must extend from the home to comply with the ADA standard. Now, in this scenario, the problem is mainly looking for the slope. So we know that the slope for the standard is 1 over 12 that needed to be satisfied, and we are given the distance. So let's say we are at a height from the ground. So let's say this is my ground, and the height is 2.5 feet that is present, and we have to design this ramp, and this distance is what we are looking for. So we have to calculate that. Now, typically when we are designing these ramps, we have to make sure that we have a landing station for uh, the wheelchair. So something along this line. So if I have a person here and is climbing up the ramp, we need to figure out that the slope is uh, within the standard so that the person can easily climb, the elderly can climb, as well as the wheelchair can easily be pushed upward. Okay, so we are given this height of 2.5 feet from the ground. Now, in order to solve this thing, if you recall, the formula for the slope, or the slope, is given as rise over run. Okay, in this case, rise is the vertical distance we have from the ground, that is equals to 2.5, and run is the horizontal distance that with what we are looking for. So if that is the case, let's plug in the values. Slope is 1 over 12 by the standard equals to rise over run. The rise is 2.5 feet. Run we are looking for, that is 1 over 12. If we do the cross multiplication, the run is equals to 12 times 2.5 feet, that is equals to 30 feet. So our design for the ramp, we need to have at least 30 feet from the door of the house where this ramp should be extended in order to satisfy the standard and have a safe passage. I hope you like this problem. See you next time.